Brett, why are you crying from the burpee movie? Oh. Christopher, what do you have to say about that gnarly burp you just made?
If I had a good fart, that's what I'd have to say, but I don't have a good fart.
What do you have to say? Come on, don't be a poop.
I don't want to play interview game. It's not my game.
What do you have to say about that gnarly burp?
I'm trying to drive. Come on.
He's trying to drive to a stop sign.
Okay, knock it off. I'm trying to see who stopped first. Please, seriously.
It's the green van.
No, they didn't. Get that. I'm trying to. Oh, trying to drive.